John with patburners.com here. We are on video 2 for installing the TOSH TRCN2S Rotary table on the Micro 90. This is the one color, as I explained in the previous video. So what I did, as I also explained in the previous video, was I turned the TO100 around 180 degrees and I lowered this work arm down 120 millimeters to give myself about the same clearance between my nest and the guarding as I had before. And so what I did was I used the two front slots when I remounted the TO100. I want that to be forward. And then here is the base plate for the TRCN2S Rotary table with T-nuts. And you can see that I've got it sitting in the slot right there. It's not tightened down yet because I wanted to show you how I determined where I want to tighten it down for a starting point. So I've gone ahead and put my golf ball nest back on here, and the front to back, what I've done is I know that this pad was already set up to be in the center of the image from the previous job when I took the nest off. So with the power down or power off, I am actuating the pad down by hand. Again, there's no power to the motor, so I can do that. Then that allows me to be able to adjust in and out and right and left, even though the dial's not homed yet, before I lock the table down using these two bolts here and the one on the other side. So that's where I get a rough starting position for where I want to tighten my dial down. And so the next thing I will do is tighten down the 6mm bolts for the T-nuts right there, and trying to keep that ball as close to being centered under the pad as possible, because I think that's where I want my nest to be. And that will be our starting point for the next video.